Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and I'm going to do a sort of a spec comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So basically, I'm referring to a site called as GSM Arena, guys. Awesome, kudos to these people. They had been, supplying a lot of information of the specs in a detailed manner for maybe more than a decade, guys. Means initially when there was very few blogs, that time I used to refer this site called as jsmarena.com, and it's a very good site. Also just follow them on Instagram, guys, and maybe y'all can even follow their YouTube channel. By the way, they produce some awesome videos. Yeah, so let's get started, guys. So here on the left hand side, on the I have the Ultra, then the S20 Plus, and the S21, which is just launched on 14th of January. And these are the premium flagship devices by Samsung for the year 2021. I'd been always excited for three smartphones in every year. One is being the Pixels, one the iPhone obviously, and the Samsung series or the S series. In fact, I had used previously majority of the Samsung Galaxy devices till the S7 Edge when unfortunately some things happened with me. Then I had some issues with Samsung. So looking at the specs wise, guys, in 2021, it looks very promising. And as you all can see, these are like one of the best specs you can get on the Android side. So I'd been looking to upgrade my phones, the Android part, because I'd not been using a powerful flagship for a very long time after the Pixel, guys. So maybe I'm looking to buy another phone maybe in 2021, especially on the Android front. Y'all can let me know in the comments below as which phone to get. Whether I should get the Samsung Galaxy S series or should I wait for the Note series, guys. So one of the brilliant thing what they did with this S lineup is you can still buy a cover with a pen, like the S pen which you get with the Note series, and you all can have it like an additional accessories, guys. And this is one of the brilliant way to convert your S series phones into a Note phones. Personally, for me, the Note was a big phone, so I'd been always using the S series devices. And let's check out what's there. So all these three phones come with the 5G connection, guys. So if you're planning to buy this phone for 5G, I definitely recommend going for this, because Samsung always had been producing very good modems, guys, and the network reception of Samsung is awesome. So let me know. Actually, I know the spectrum allocation and all is not been done right now in India, and maybe even at the end of the year, it is very difficult to say whether we are getting the 5G connections or not. Personally, I feel this particular phone looks quite good, guys. Even if you see the camera hum, it got a very huge camera hum. Yesterday, I was just looking at their live stream, and even this thing looks humongous, guys. So let me just show you the pictures of this. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so this was the Galaxy S21, guys. Let's briefly go through the specs of it. So the launch date is yesterday, that is 14 January. Today I'm recording it on 15 January. And this is expected to come launch on maybe like the end of the month. Okay, looking at the spec sheet, you can see this one, the Ultra is not one of the slimmest. It is almost at 8.9 millimeters thick. The slimmest one is the S21 by a slight margin of the S21. And this also got this wave technology, which will be available only in the US, and the sub 6 gigahertz the model and all. So uh, let's see how what is the weight of it. It is around 227 kilo, sorry, grams, not 227 kilos. And the 200 kilos, sorry, grams, I don't know why I keep saying grams, kilos. So 200 grams is substantially falls under the heavier category, whereas the S21 is a lighter phone, guys, especially the entry level one, which you get for around 70,000. And this is a lightweight phone, so highly recommended for those people who do a lot of texting and all. So personally, if I'm going also, I would go for the heavier one, because I don't use that much for texting, guys. And personally, I'm interested in, there is something called as periscope camera, which I'll get back into it. And once you have this, it got this particular something called as Victus Gorilla Glass Victus, which is one of the strongest glass, and that's what they say. And on the front, it got all the three phones got the Victus. Then it only the Ultra model, I think, have the Gorilla Glass back, whereas the other ones are I think glass back only for this. And the normal S21 comes up with a plastic back, which is good, guys, since it is lightweight, and even if you accidentally drop it, so you won't crack your back of the phone. So I think as usual they are all with dual SIM, and comes with the standard Samsung Pay. I wouldn't go into like details. You all can just check out this particular what you can say, the comparison. I'll be linking the link in the description below. A huge shout out to this site called as GSM Arena. Also, please follow their YouTube channel, guys. By the way, they are not sponsoring me or anything. It's just that I prefer using this particular site for accurate information. And they got something called as dynamic OLED, sorry, AMOLED. So the display is better this time. It comes with a 120 hertz and HDR10 certification, and wow, the brightness is almost 1500 nits. And I would say we'll have to test it, guys. Suppose if any of y'all have purchased this particular phone, or thinking of purchasing this particular phone in the future, please let me know in the comments below, so maybe I can get in touch with you all for the unboxing video or something. And yeah, I think this is having the resolution of 1440p, you know like something called as quad HD. And this for other two phones, that is the Plus and the regular S model, comes with a 1080p, which is sort of okay, guys. But the display on the Ultra model is definitely great, guys. Okay, so shifting back, it both comes with this Victus. All the three phones comes with Victus and comes with always on display. And one UI 3.1, this is a new update, guys. So I can't wait to try this particular UI on my other phones. And it have this 5 nanometer wala Exynos 2100, that is the international version. And US and China will be getting the Snapdragon 888. Actually, I wish Samsung could come up with the Snapdragon 888 processor, at least in India, guys, because because last time a friend of mine had purchased the Note series. I can't recall which Note it was, but it had lesser performance compared to the Snapdragon counterparts. And I feel like if you are paying so much for a phone which is almost a lakh, or you can see the pricing over here. This one is around 80,000, 82,000. This is 70,000, and this is 1 lakh 6,000. So if you're paying so much of money, then I think we should at least get sort of a what you call that, at least an option to go with the Snapdragon variant, guys, at least in the top end models. So Samsung, if you're listening to this, I hope you listen to my prayers, and yeah, give Snapdragon as maybe at least an option for with a price hike also would do for the Snapdragon 888 variant, guys. And yeah, I wouldn't go in the details because all these things are only for the benchmark purpose. It got so much of cores and so many processors and all. But as far as I know, this CPUs will perform awesome, guys, in your day-to-day life, including this Adreno 660 GPU. And we get the Mali G78 processor for the GPU in India. Anyways, if you're buying the Exynos variant, so yeah, we are also getting the 3.1 UFS storage. Okay, so one surprising thing what I saw is there is no memory card slot. I think this is one of the very few, almost the first, Samsung device not to have a micro SD card, because Samsung usually I used to buy it because they were the flagship which used to provide a memory card slot, which Google used to not provide, guys. So this was one of the reason why I used to always prefer Samsung over other one. Okay, now another thing what I like about this is the Ultra have the 108 megapixel, the second generation camera with f1.8, and a 10 megapixel camera for 10x optical zoom, and another 10 megapixel camera, okay, for a telephoto lens, and I guess this is a 3x optical zoom. So there is this is for people who want to like zoom for portraits and all. They might use a 3x, and if they want to like zoom really far, they would use a 10 megapixel on the 10x zoom, and which is a good inclusion, guys. So well done, Samsung. And a 12 megapixel ultra wide steady shooter. Yeah, it's ultra wide, so super 3D and dual. Yeah, one of the things which I really like about is this dual pixel autofocus. So this is the same kind of, I'm not so sure 100% whether this dual pixel is the same one which we are getting with something like the Canon cameras or not. Okay, now let's jump to the S21 plus, that is coming with a 8 megapixel as the wide, the 64, it's a 3x hybrid zoom for the telephoto. Okay, and the ultra wide camera is having the 12 megapixel one. Here I think surprisingly there is no dual pixel autofocus. So the focusing is, if your camera is the highest priority, guys, just spend that another 25,000 for the ultra, because you are paying anyways that much of money, like around 80,000 for this particular phone. Then why not pay additional 25 and get this particular phone, guys. Also, if you are a person who likes to chat and type a lot, I would suggest this simply because of its weight. And if you see the camera, it is almost the same as this, the S21 ultra, sorry, S21 plus. Sometimes it is very confusing with the names, guys. So yeah, both all of them have this 8K video recording, and okay, now this is a bit surprising. The front facing camera of the ultra is 40 megapixel f2.2, 26 millimeter wide. So I think you get almost like 4 times the resolution on the ultra models, guys. And if you are, I think if camera is the highest priority, I would simply suggest you all to go with the ultra. Okay, so all these three phones are going to be very good in day-to-day life, and there is all these things are okay, tuned by AKG. You get, I guess, the speakers, okay, and they come out just stereo speakers. Yeah, this all fine, guys. And Bluetooth, I think 5.2 you only get with the ultra. So technically these are the specs, guys. So I won't go into details, because what people they use in day-to-day life, actually it is does not matter what are your specs so much. And yeah, I like this particular type C 3.2, the latest generation for high speed USB. And these are the things you get: the under display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for this. I think you get it with all the three, and rest of the specs are same. Now even the battery of the ultra is much more bigger. It comes with a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and the other one comes with the S21 plus comes with 4800 milliamp hour battery, whereas the non ultra and non plus comes, I mean the standard S21 comes with a 4000 milliamp hour battery, and all of them have a fast wireless charging of 25 watt. Okay, that's it. And then I think that let's go to the colors of each, guys. So let's go back to the S21 Ultra and check out what are the colors which are available. So these are the colors, guys. So I really like this particular, silver color. And then you have the black color. Actually, personally, if I had to choose one, it would definitely be the black. It just that matte black finish what they have come up. Only the camera module is slightly glossy over here, but the black, in my opinion, looks classy, guys. And even the other colors are good. In my personal taste, I would definitely go with the black. If you want somewhat like a bling, I think this is the color which to go with. Sorry, guys. So this is the S21. Okay, in my opinion, I still feel I would rather go with the black compared to all the other one. And this color is new, guys, so you can try this. And even the red is good, but this, in my opinion, doesn't look that good. Okay, and let's check out the colors for the S21. Let's go to the pictures. I think we have the same color. Beside, there are some colors which are new for the S21 Plus, and they have the white. So to wrap up, guys, this is it from my side. I'll be, linking the link of this particular site in the description below. Let me know what are your thoughts on the S21 Ultra, the S21 Plus, and the regular S21. So if I'm purchasing, let me know in the comments below which one should I buy. What do you all feel? Especially, I would go with the black variant. Also, guys, if you are new to this particular channel, please hit that subscribe button and like this particular video if you really like this kind of videos. Or let me know in the comments below like what you think, whether I should produce this kind of comparison videos, for just for clarification. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.